channel. It's Andrea and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that right now and give this video a thumbs up. But as you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be reviewing the Prada Saffiano leather 2005 Re-Edition bag, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys too, so go ahead and start this journey with me. So I guess this is going to be a little bit of an unboxing too. This is where she is. Oh my god, so currently right now that I checked the website, the black with gold hardware is sold out in Canada, but you can do what I did and just call the sales associate, and the next time that it does come up, she can go ahead, put your number in, put your card in, and get it shipped to you right away. So this is currently the box. And it has this little elastic band that keeps it all together, and has great tissue paper. I'm not gonna lie, I did unbox this and wore it already. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, you should. This is my Instagram. Cute fall photos, really nice inspo. I highly suggest you guys go check it out. But this is the bag, and oh my god, isn't she gorgeous?
She is very gorgeous to me!
So that is the Prada signature Saffiano leather with gold hardware. Alright, first things first, if you either live under a rock or like watching conspiracy theory videos on YouTube, then you're probably unaware that the 2005 nylon Re-Edition bag was the it bag of fall 2019. Literally every girl had this bag, and I kept seeing it constantly styled in different variations on my Instagram feed. And just to give you a scope of how crazy this became in terms of hype wise, here's just a little drop in the ocean of Pinterest inspiration photos that I saw from this one specific bag. But to be honest, the moment it came out, I wasn't in love with it, and I also couldn't justify spending thousands of dollars on a material bag. Nylon's not very structured, it's soft, it is a more casual look, so I do understand why a lot of girls didn't gravitate towards it. But when the Saffiano leather version came out in gold hardware, I was like, oh, okay, I see you. I shouldn't want you, but I want you. The best way I can put it is that the nylon version of the 2005 Re-Edition bag is kind of like the basic frat boy, and then the Saffiano leather version with gold hardware is the elevated version of that frat boy who graduated and got a really good job in finance. You don't want to want them, but you want them, and I would consider it as like within the now bag, not really a lifetime bag like a Chanel classic flap or anything in that realm in terms of a bag collection. So really keep that in mind when you are investing into this bag, because at the end of the day, it's the same concept as the nylon bag. It comes with a compartment, chain, thick strap, and this pouch that can't fit anything but maybe some spare change and your AirPods if you're that bougie. Which brings me to my second piece of this video, pricing. So where I'm from is called Canada. We have less entertaining politics than our neighbors in America, and we are the exports of Justin Bieber and Nickelback. With that being said, I think I spent around 2,500 Canadian after tax for this specific bag. And to give you guys some context, I think the nylon bag is like $500, $700 cheaper than the Saffiano leather bag. But as I said before, it is the more elevated version. It is super sturdy, and the leather really makes a big difference in terms of durability and longevity. So in my eyes, I personally think that the Saffiano leather version is worth the price difference. But if you want to, you know, get the same bag for less, you could technically get the nylon version of this bag and another small shoulder bag for the same price. Last but not least, for this review, we're going to be talking about the versatility of this bag and different ways to style it. So in terms of versatility, this bag reigns supreme within my bag collection. You can wear it in so many different ways. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in some body shots right here. This is the first version that I like to wear it in. It is the thick strap attached to it and crossbody. It gives it a more casual and utility look, which is really nice when you're just out and about. But if you want to switch it more daytime, I would really recommend detaching the thick strap and just going in with the gold chain and wearing it below the armpit all over your shoulder because it's so classy, it's so elevated. You still have that little Prada tag dangling off, which I think is so gorgeous and so chic. So that's preferably the way that I like to wear it. And in terms of other things, you can just detach both of the straps and carry it as a pouch too. So the possibilities of this bag really is, you know, not limited to the ways that I showed you guys how I styled it. And I can see myself getting a lot of wear out of this bag. In terms of like my Chanel wallet and chain, I don't really want to be carrying that around everywhere because, you know, like it's a nice bag and sometimes it's a bit too much for the given setting and time. But if I was going out to like brunch or going out to dinner, this would be kind of my go-to that I would grab. So that is that of the Prada 2005 Re-Edition bag in Saffiano leather, specifically the black one with gold hardware. But if you have any other questions regarding sizing, what can fit in here versus other bags, I can definitely make a video for that as well. Just let me know in the comments down below. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And thank you guys so much for watching.